What is up, fam? My name is Ari here, and in this video we're going to be having a look at Cetus protocol. So Cetus, for those of you guys who don't know, is a DEX on Sui. Sui is a $10 billion market cap approximately. So if I have a look right here and go down on the top 20, you guys can see right here Sui is currently ranked top 22. Now I think it's ranked top 20 if you take out the stable coins such as USDT and USDC, which is, up there in the top 5, top 10, and pretty much that's about it. But if we have a look at Cetus right here, we know what happened to Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, and Jupiter. I mean, all these are billion-dollar tokens, right? Billion-dollar market cap cryptocurrencies. And you guys can see right here, the market cap of Cetus is currently sitting at $217 million, doing about $93 million worth of volume monthly or daily, not monthly, daily. Monthly is way higher than that, obviously. TVL, $254 million. So I'm pretty bullish on that. I'm very bullish on the TVL, looking very bullish. Circling supply 606 million. Now if you guys are in my Discord, I mean, I did talk about the Cetus the Cetus chart right here, and I said that this can't pretty much send. So this is the daily on Cetus right here. A lot of people were worried and they're like, yo, Cetus is not looking so good. Everyone was worried. People were pretty much worried on Cetus, and I pretty much said that Cetus will most likely close in green. I said I'm not closing Cetus straight. I think it will close in green. That was yesterday when Cetus tanked about 10% right here. And I said Cetus trade still looks good. This is my Discord. If you guys want to enter, feel free. We have a general chat, trading chat, meme chat, news, sports betting, cigar lounge. I mean, whatever you guys want, we pretty much have it all. And then of course, if you guys want to be more technical and you like to trade, then of course you could go ahead and join the Patreon. You got gold, you got diamond daily, and pretty much weekly lessons. So that's that. But Cetus right now, I want to talk about that. We're going to be having a look at this and that, these three charts. Well, actually it's one of them has to be the Sui chart, which is this one I'm going to talk about in just a second. We're going to be having a look at Cetus on the 1 hour and Cetus on the day, on the daily, sorry, not the 1 hour. Cetus on the daily, this beautiful breakout that is currently doing right now. And we know, guys, by the way, historically, Thanksgiving is not it's not a bullish and it's not a bearish day for for crypto. I mean, now on my Discord, I did say right here, Bitcoin on Thanksgiving, I'm not expecting much from BTC tomorrow. This is Bitcoin on Thanksgiving right here, average move of 3.8%. so obviously it doesn't mean much, but you guys can see right here, Bitcoin is currently down on the 2 hour time frame. Nothing too crazy. I mean, we are below the volume profile right here. We did get a nice little beautiful bounce, not only off the support region right here, but we also got a bounce right here off the volume profile, which is the second biggest volume profile right here, the point of control. So we have the first point of control right here, the second one right here. I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin kind of like consolidates in this zone right here before continuing up to the upside. I don't know if we're actually going to see $100,000 in 2024. It might be in 2025 Q1. We'll see, but that does not mean that Cetus and Sui won't go up. So this is a chart right here on Sui. Before I dive into Cetus, I do want to have a look at Sui, and the reason why is because typically when Sui does go up, Cetus goes up along with it. And you guys can see right here, Sui did break down a long downtrend right here. So we were on a downtrend right here since Sunday, November 17th. So about a week, 10 days actually from now, 11 days, Cetus was in a Sui, sorry, was in a nice little downtrend. Cetus as well, by the way. Look at that. November 10th, we peaked down, right? So over 20 days, we've been in this nice little correction for Cetus, but Sui right here, we topped off, and guess what happened, guys? We came down. Now we broke out of this downtrend, came back, retested, and then blew to the top. Now, of course, if you are once again in my Signal group, you probably would have been making money. This is a Sui trade that I called along on Sui. This guy was up 41%. So this is Mavs. I don't know who he is, but congrats on your trade. That's honestly amazing if you're watching this video. And pretty much that's about it. So you guys can see right here, this is beautiful retest, beautiful bounce right here on Sui. And what is the next big move for Cetus? Well, right here, if we have a look at Cetus on the daily before I dive in on the other time frame, you guys can see that this is extremely bullish. I mean, we broke down a trend that was going down for about 20 days. We finally broke it, and the big question is what is happening next. Well, if we have a look right here on the shorter time frame, we could see that we are above the POC. Well, we were above the POC level right here, point of control. So in my opinion, to have a clean breakout and a more confirmation to the top, we're gonna have to see Cetus really break this point of control level. Now this volume profile range is really holding Cetus obviously as a nice support level. Now we don't have much support in this area right here. That means Cetus is either going to come back. If we do come down, we're most likely going to come back down and retest this level right here, which is a volume profile, which is actually a very interesting level. So this volume profile actually holds very well, and you guys can see right here we do have a few bounces at this level right here, or a few resistance, whatever you want to call it. So I don't expect Cetus to pretty much come down and below 32 cents anymore. If we do, we might come down one more time before exploding to the upside. But if you guys are like me and took my long, on Cetus at, I think it was at 31, you should be pretty safe. Now, I don't have a stop loss. If you guys do want to put a stop loss on this trade, you could go ahead and put a stop loss, 7% stop loss from this entry right here at 29.2 cents if you are interested. Now, of course, something else that I do want to talk about, guys, is this on the RSI. The RSI is looking very bullish on Cetus on the 8-hour time frame. You guys can see right here, we are back above right here on the 50 on the RSI, which is very, very bullish. So we know historically when we are below 50, we're bearish, which is exactly what happened right here. So right here, we became bearish, right? We became below the 50. And it's interesting because the 50 actually aligns itself with the volume profile. So it's actually very, very interesting. And of course, when we are above the not only the moving average, which is this yellow line right here, but when we are above the 50, we become bullish. And this is exactly what's happening. So if I actually zoom in right here, let me just clear all these charts real quick just to make you guys just to make it more clean. You guys can see right here, by the way, that Cetus is obviously still in an uptrend. So we know the trend is your friend until it bends. And I would really, really like to see a breakout away from the trend line, consolidate, and then continue to the top. That is my plan for Cetus. Nothing too crazy overall, nothing too exaggerated, I guess you can say. And pretty much that's about it. So we are holding the 0.382 level pretty solid. And overall, I mean, guys, that's really, that's all there is for today. Like I said, Thanksgiving is really, really slow. It's not, I'm not expecting much from Cetus. I'm not, tomorrow maybe the party starts again. But like I said, guys, the trend is your friend until it bends. And as of right now, even if we do break this trend, I don't expect Cetus to go back below 32 cents. If you guys do like this video, of course, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. By the way, if you guys do want to join my Discord, once again, the link will be in the description below. Come in, come say hi, introduce yourself. It's free, and I will see you guys in